A J-15-3, you can see here a carrier, you can see the picture. A J-15T carrier-borne fighter jet on Wednesday arrived in Zhuhai, South China's Guangdong province, ahead of Airshow China 2024, marking the first participation of Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy in the exhibition. As an upgraded version of original J-15, J-15T is equipped with the latest radar and weapons and is compatible with catapult launch systems. J-15T touched down in Zhuhai at noon on Wednesday. It's a core weapon in an aircraft carrier formation and the key force of PLA Naval Aviation Force. Its landing in Zhuhai marked the first time PLA Navy has participated in an Airshow China event. Airshow China 2024 is scheduled to be held from November 12 to 17. Against this background, that the Fuji, China's first catapult-equipped aircraft carrier, is holding smooth sea trials. The T in the J-15T likely means Tansher, literally catapult launched. After viewing photos of aircraft released by China Bugle and other official media, J-15T had received redesigns to reinforce its front landing gear. China Central Television reported on Wednesday that the front landing gear of J-15T bulkier than original J-15, and this change was made so that the aircraft can adjust to the huge tractive force and it is launched by catapult. Since J-15 was originally designed to operate on sky jump carriers, the upgraded version should still be to operate on China's existing carrier. Before official announcement of J-15T on Wednesday, the upgraded J-15 apparently featured in official media reports on the Liaoning and the Shandong first ever dual carrier group exercise in South China Sea in October. The photos released by Xinhua News Agency showed that J-15S in the drill had light grey radomes, a dome structure that protects radars, while J-15 was previously known to have deep grey radomes. After comparing photos of J-15T that has arrived in Zhuhai, the new aircraft is indeed equipped with a new type of nose dome. Given China's advancements in avionics, this means the J-15T is likely equipped with the type of more advanced AESA, active electronic scanning array radar. This should further enable J-15T to use latest airborne weapons and see the fighter reaching a 4.5 generation level. The announcement of PLA Navy's J-15T carrier-borne fighter jet came a day after PLA Air Force on Tuesday announced that participation on J-15, J-35A medium-sized stealth fighter. The A in J-35A indicates that this warfare likely has different variants Thank you.
After watching this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Your support means a lot and helps our team create more videos like this. Thanks for watching.